Looking to kickstart your guitar journey with some easy and fun songs to learn? Well, look no further. In this video, I've handpicked the top 5 beginner songs that are perfect for those just starting out on their musical adventure. From timeless classics to modern favorites, these picks will have you strumming and singing along in no time. First up, we have Horse with No Name by the band America. Get transported to the serene landscape of the American desert with this folk rock gem. Its repetitive chord progression and easygoing rhythm make it a breeze for beginners to play. Alright, Horse with No Name only has 2 chords. We have an E minor chord, which is the first finger over here on the 5th string 2nd fret, second finger over here on the 4th string 2nd fret, and the D with the F sharp in the bass, which is going to be the first finger on the 6th string 2nd fret, second finger on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Let's go over the strum pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Next up, we have Knockin' on Heaven's Door by Bob Dylan. Unleash your inner troubadour with this timeless classics. Dylan's masterpiece combines simple chords and heartfelt lyrics, making it a must-learn for any aspiring guitarist. Alright, let's go over the chords for Knockin' on Heaven's Door. The very first chord we have is a G chord. Your first finger goes in the 5th string, 2nd fret. Second finger goes in the 6th string, 3rd fret. Third finger goes in the 1st string, 3rd fret. Moving on to the D chord, we have the first finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Second finger goes in the 1st string, 2nd fret. Third finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Moving along with the C chord, first finger goes on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Second finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Third finger goes on the 5th string, 3rd fret. Let's go over the strum pattern. Down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Moving along, we have Brown-Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. Lighten up the mood with this feel-good classic. Its cheerful melody and straightforward chord progression, making an excellent song for beginners to sing and strum along. Alright, Brown-Eyed Girl. 3 chords in this song, G, C, and D, the same as Knockin' on Heaven's Door, but in a different order. Let's go over the strum pattern. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And the penultimate song of the day, we have Wonderwall by Oasis. Dive into the world of mid-90s acoustic with this iconic song. With a few modern versions of chords you probably already know and a catchy melody, it's an ideal choice for beginners to master their strumming technique. Wonderwall by Oasis uses a variation of a few chords that you probably already know. There's an E minor 7, a G5, a D, and an A, and they're all variations on the chords E minor, G, D, and A. But let's talk about one thing that is in common with all 4 chords here. Is the 3rd and the 4th finger never move. So let's take our 3rd finger, put it here on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. Take your 4th finger, put it up here on the 1st string, 3rd fret. These 2 fingers never move. So look up at the screen for these chords. E minor 7 is the first finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Second finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret with 3 and 4 down. Moving along to the G chord, 3 and 4 don't move. Take your second finger and move it up here on the 6th string, 3rd fret. That's a G5 chord. Moving along to the D suspended, 3 and 4 don't move. Take your first finger and put it up here on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Moving along to the A suspended, 3 and 4 don't move. Take your first finger and put it up here on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Let's go over the strum pattern, starting on E minor. Down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, repeat. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Last but not least, we have Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. Get ready to immerse yourself in the haunting beauty of this iconic tune. While it may seem a bit challenging at first, mastering the intro riff and chords will greatly enhance your guitar skills. Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd is going to use a few of the same chords from the previous song. There's going to be an E minor 7, and then there's going to be a G. Both of those chords have 3 and 4 down at the same time. Also, kind of intertwined in this is going to be a riff that's going to be using a G major pentatonic scale. Let's go over that scale. 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. Play it again. 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, 0. Let's go over the song. Here's how the riff starts and here's how the chords fit in. Alright, you can do that riff first, and then you're going to be kind of on the E minor 7 chord here. Down, down, up. And you're going to finish the riff out. Down, down, up. Once again, 3, 0, 2, 0, 2, E minor 7, 2, 0, 2, 0. And there you have it, my top 5 picks for beginner guitar songs. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful on your guitar journey. Did I miss anything? Do you think there's another song I should include? If so, leave a comment below and let me know which ones I missed. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to put in the time and revisit this video. If you found some of the strumming to be a bit challenging, be sure to check out my other video on unlocking your strumming potential, where I get into some more specific instruction on how to do some of the more complex strumming patterns used by all the top players. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more guitar lessons like this. Keep practicing.